Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping in to check out our video today. I would like to take a moment to welcome all of our SUV shoppers. We hope that you find this video is helpful in the search for your next SUV. Today we're looking at a Nissan Certified Pre-Owned 2017 Armada SV. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and it has just 10,000 miles on it. As you can see, it's very nicely equipped and in light new condition. It has running boards and alloy wheels. Now when you take a look inside, you see this graphite cloth interior, and it is in perfect condition with heated front bucket seats and room for 8 passengers total. Now as we look up front, we see that this vehicle is very nicely equipped with a Bose Premium Audio System with 13 speakers. It has amazing sound. It's also very nicely equipped in the way of electronics and convenience and safety items as well. Let's start off with separate rear controls for the heat and air conditioning, as well as second row USB charging ports. Other features include SiriusXM radio, and it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Not to mention, it has GPS navigation and backup camera, in addition to push button start and steering wheel mounted audio controls. All you need to do now is give us a call and we'll set up a time for your test drive. The number is 615-224-8314. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs. After all, we're the home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.